A 5.5 magnitude earthquake shook the resort city of Rimini in Italy, with ripples across the country, as well as parts of the Balkans. Although this seems to be a pretty strong shake, there seems to have been no casualties and minor damage to structures, with the fire brigade even coming out to say that there have been no rescue requests. Nepal, however, was not so lucky, as a 5.6 magnitude earthquake hit just 21 kilometers, or roughly 13 miles, from its Dodi district. It is reported that at least 6 people have died, 5 were injured, and 3 buildings were destroyed, which was felt as far as the Indian capital New Delhi.